Hello everyone, we are reading Jeremy Tankard, Boo-Hoo Bird. Here we go. Bird and Raccoon were enjoying a game of catch when Bird got boinged on the head. Uh-oh. See, Raccoon threw the ball and it hit Bird on the head, but that was an accident. I'm gonna turn the page. Ouch, moaned Bird. That hurt a lot. He started to cry. Uh-oh, look at Raccoon. He looks very concerned, right? That his friend Bird got hurt. I'm gonna turn the page. Oh no, said Raccoon. I've wounded Bird. Here, I'll kiss it better. Raccoon kissed Bird's boink. Bird kept crying. It still hurts. I'm sorry, said Raccoon. Let's see if Rabbit can help. Uh-oh. Look, Raccoon kissed Bird's boo-boo. Ouch. That should make him feel better, right? But he said it still hurts. So now he's going to go see Rabbit. Let's turn the page. Raccoon told Rabbit what happened. Poor Bird, said Rabbit. Would a hug help? Rabbit gave Bird a hug. Bird cried even more. It's not helping. Let's go find Beaver, said Rabbit. He'll know what to do. Uh-oh. Look at that nice little hug that Rabbit gave Bird, but it's not helping. Uh-oh. Those boinks sometimes really hurts, right? Let's see what happens. What you need is a cookie, said Beaver. You can fix any problem with a cookie. Beaver gave Bird a cookie. Bird cried louder. I think I'm getting dizzy. Let's ask Sheep what to do, said Beaver. She's full of ideas. Uh-oh. Look at all those cookies. And they gave one to Bird, and it did not make Bird feel any better. I wonder what would make Bird feel better. Uh-oh. I can see that big boo-boo, right? That must hurt. Beaver's a kind friend for offering a cookie. Let's see if Sheep would help. Do you think Sheep might help? Let's turn the page and find out. Beaver showed Bird's boo-boo to Sheep. How about a game of hide and go seek? Suggested Sheep. The animals ran and hid. You want me to hide? Wailed Bird. I can't hardly walk. Surely Fox can make you feel better, said Sheep. He's clever. Uh-oh. Now look, Sheep is trying to help. Beaver's gone to play hide and go seek, so did Rabbit. But Bird is still not feeling good about his boo-hoo. So now they're going to go get Fox. Let's see if Fox will help. Bird got bonked on the head, Sheep told Fox. He's quite upset. What you need is a band-aid, said Fox. He disappeared into his den and came back. Band-aid always make my boo-boo feels better. Fox put the band-aid on Bird's head. I wonder if that will make Birds feel better now. Let's see. That's a good friend. There's Fox putting on the band-aid. All the other friends are just watching. And there's the yellow ball sitting there. Somebody needs to start playing. Let's see if he's going to feel better now. The band-aid isn't working. Cried Bird. Uh-oh. Look at the friends. They don't know what to do. They look kind of concerned. They don't know what to do. And look at Bird. He's really crying hard now. Uh-oh. Let's see. Cried Bird's friends together. Nothing is making Bird feel better. Uh-oh. Now everybody's crying. And look at Bird. He's like surprised. Why are they crying? Uh-oh. Bird looked at his friends. He felt his boink. It didn't really hurt anymore. I think I'm okay now, he said. But his friends couldn't hear him. I wonder why his friends couldn't hear him. Uh-oh, they're still crying and they're hugging each other. And Bird is saying, I think I'm okay now. I'm okay now, hello. But nobody's listening. They're still crying. I said, I'm all better now, shouted Bird. Uh-oh. Look at Bird. He looks very angry now. Look at his friend. They're shocked. They're like, oh my goodness, what just happened? And look at Bird with the anger face. He's really shouting there, right? Uh-oh. He says, I'm all better now. Uh-oh. Let's see if that will help them to stop crying. See? Bird stood on his head. Look. Bird is standing on his head. He said, you see, I'm feeling better now. Uh-oh. Look, his friends are like pointing and seeing how Bird is on his head. I'm gonna turn the page. You're so silly, Bird, said the friends. They laughed and they stood on their heads too. Come on, said Bird. Let's play catch. Uh-oh, see, they're copying Bird and they're standing on their heads too. And Bird is saying, no, you guys are silly. Let's play catch. I'm going to turn the page because everybody seems to be silly. So now they're playing catch again. And guess what? Fox threw the yellow ball. And boink. Again. Bird got hurt again. Oh no. Look at their friends. They're like, oh, they look very scared. And oh no. Look nervous. Because now the ball went boing again and Bird got hurt. And that is the end of the story of Boo Hoo Bird. Thank you for listening.